If you want to set up secure folder on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, scroll down and search for the security and privacy. And then in here we can find private space, which of course is pretty much the secure folder that you may know on other smartphones, that is available on other smartphones. So in order to create it, we have to tap on setup button in the bottom right corner. You will have to, well, you don't really have to sign into your Google account, but you can sign into your Google account so that you can access the Play Store inside the private space. And the Play Store inside the private space allows you to install apps on the private space. And in this case, let me just quickly sign into my Google account. After that, we need to choose who will be using this device. Of course, I will be using it, and we need to agree to Google Terms of Service. After that, we can choose the password for the private space. You can create a separate password for the private space, or you can use the screen lock password, so the same password that you use on your phone in general. So let's choose a new lock. First, we need to enter our screen lock password in order to continue, and then we can create the private space password. And as you can see, these options may include the fingerprint, so you can set up the fingerprint sensor as well, and the fingerprint sensor is separate from the fingerprint sensor that you have on your phone. So you can, for example, scan another finger if you want to use a different finger for your private space, or you can just continue without the fingerprint unlock in case you don't want to use it. In my case, I'm just going to set up a simple password for the private space. There we go. We need to enter it twice in order to continue. And that is pretty much it. The private space is going to be created just in a second. There we go. In order to access it, you just have to scroll down on the app drawer, and we need to tap on this lock button on the right side. Enter your the private space password, and there we go. This is how we can access our private space, or the secure folder, if you want to name it like that. Now, if you want to add something in here, we have this add button. You can add files that are going to be moved into this files app in here. And also we have the installed apps option, which allows you to open the Play Store, and anything you install with this Play Store is going to be installed just in the private space. This also means that if you have any apps outside of the private space, you can actually install them one more time in here. This can be treated like a way to duplicate apps, for example. And of course, all of the files and all the data that we have inside the private space, this includes apps, is completely separated from everything that we have outside of it. So this is why we can clone or duplicate apps, or we can treat the private space as a way to lock apps as well. So let's just try to install something. If I try to install, let's say, this Firefox browser, then of course it's going to be installed pretty easily, and just in a second I'm gonna see it over here in the private space once it is actually installed. And I can do exactly the same thing in the Play Store that I have outside of here, and let's see if it's installing. Actually, I have the welcome message, but there we go, we have the Firefox app in here. And of course I can open it, I can access it, I can use it without any issues. But if I go to the Play Store outside of the private space, then you will see that I can still install the app. So this is just the proof that everything that we have in here is completely separated from everything outside of it. This is a separate environment, and you can do whatever you want with it, and it won't interact with anything that you have outside of the private space. And that is pretty much it. Of course, we can also tap on the setting icon right next to the lock once the private space is unlocked, in order to change the password, to lock the private space automatically, to hide the private space, or to delete it. And that is about it. Leave a like and subscribe.